Nothing to
Hello
it.
everybody, so in this video we'll play CodeCombat game and the fourth level. So we have to collect the 9 games and they are as shown here. You can use only move XY 4 times. This is how we can move. We give the X and Y coordinates, then we move to the given point. We can copy this and paste it. So we have all the games, but only in 4 movements. But using 4 simple movements won't get us to eat all the games, to take all the games. We need to do something else, because always we'll have 1 game left. Whatever we did, moving around these points, always we'll have 1 game left, and we can choose, for example, as I'm doing here, another movement after the 4th, so it's blocked. I'm gonna have to try something else. Let's try from the beginning and look what we can do. We can try with a while loop. Let's take a look at the hand. Now they say that they move to the point. This one. 32. This doesn't give any clue to the... So there might be there something that can be done. Which is not just moving around these games, because it will never give us the results we're looking for. So we have to think of something. Another thing than just moving at each point of these. Let's call a variable I equal 12, which is the distance between each game. Variable I equal to 12, because they have equal distances between each other, the nearest ones between each other. So we can, let's choose the start point, which is 5623, and try to add or reduce the I value, which is 12 or 14. So adding I will move in X or Y direction, will move to the next game. So let's move up, then we can do the same to move left. Let's do the same thing. The starting point, and we'll add I here because we moved up from the second line, and then go left. We should do -1 to go left, +1 it goes right. So minus left, minus I to go left, and then we can go down. Let's go down with the same thing. (56) 23, and to go down we have minus I in the X coordinates, and let the Y coordinates equal to for the starting point. This is it. We can go back to the point we started from, which is 5623. And now we'll first, when it goes for the 4 movements, it will take create a square, small square. Then we have to I be equal 2 times the first I that we had. So it takes the small square then the big square. But it doesn't work. It doesn't get to the 11th line. Let's take I equal to 0, then add 13. So for the first time I will be 13, and the second while loop it will be 26. It doesn't work, so it only moves 4 times. It's like he get tired after the fourth movement and he can't move anymore. It doesn't mean that we should write 4 lines of movement, but the hero can't move more than 4 movements. So anything of these won't work. We need to do only to let the hero move only 4 times and eat all the games in these 4 movements. It's like he'll become tired after the 4th movement and he can't move anymore. So it won't work this way, but if it wasn't like that, you will make it. Let's check the hints. We have to move to 1748. Yeah, we have to get out of the square, so we'll be able to get them all. This is it. But we did the thing for different results, and it was good to let the hints, checking the hints, the last thing, and we can use it for while loop with while loop, but it has to be the hero should move more than 4 times, even if it's written just only 4 commands inside a while loop, but he can do it. So let's submit. So this is it for this one. See you in the next levels.